What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open text chat in Battlefield 6. So it's really easy to do. First of all, pause your game and then from here go to options. Under it, if you wanna see your controller key, then go to the controller section, then go to edit settings from the bottom right corner. From here scroll all the way down to the bottom until you reach UI control mapping, open it, and here you can see the key which you need to press to open chat. So on my controller I need to press view button on Xbox. If you are on PlayStation then you need to press on your touchpad, but you need to open your option first. So you need to pause your game and then press this key in order to open your chat. But if you are on your PC then you don't need to pause your game, just go to mouse and keyboard from here, then under it go to bottom and here you will find this UI keybinds, open it, and here you will find the option of chat. So we need to press enter on our keyboard on PC in order to open our chat, and you can anytime change this key to whatever you want to open your chat. Now I need to go back to my screen. Now if I hit enter on my keyboard then I'll be able to see this chat window and I can type whatever here, then again hit enter to send this message on your chat. If you wanna again hit enter then you can again type the message you want. Now in case you are on controller then firstly pause your game and then press the view button or touchpad in order to open your chat, and from here press A or cross to type your message and a keyboard will pop up on your screen. Type the message and you can send it to your teammates or your squad like so, and you can switch between team and squad by pressing R1 or RB in order to switch between them. So this is the complete process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.